Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the question pertaining to the SSC CHSL 2015 paper. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll concentrate on the kind of questions that have been asked in this kind of this paper in general, and particularly we'll lay our focus on the quantitative aptitude section. We'll try and understand the kind of question that have been asked and also try and learn the approach towards solving the same, so that whenever we come across this kind of question further down the line in any examination, you are easily able to tackle them and rightly solve them. Okay, so having said that, let's focus on the question at hand. If p cube minus q cube equal to p minus q into p minus q whole square minus x p cube, then find the value of x. Okay, so start off with 141. P cube minus q cube equal to p minus q into p minus q whole square minus x p cube. Okay, this is what we have. So now we know p cube minus q cube can be written as p minus q into p square plus q square plus p cube. We can write it this way, and also what we can write here is that p minus q square can be written as p square plus q square plus p cube, okay, x p cube. Okay, so therefore what we can further write here, okay, so I hope this particular step is clear to you, but in case it's not, let me just go ahead and elaborate the same, okay, so that things are easier to understand. I might have gone through. So here we let me do one thing. Let me replace q square plus pq, okay, and then subsequently p minus q whole square minus x p q. Okay, so this one, what we can actually do is we can simply cancel out these two terms. Okay, yeah, so these two terms get cancelled out. So what we have here is p square plus q square plus pq equal to p minus q whole square minus x p q. Okay, so now we can further write p square plus q square plus pq. Let's split this up. P square plus q square minus 2pq equal to minus x p q. Okay, cancels out. 3pq equal to minus xpq. Therefore x is equal to minus 3. Option B is our answer. So I hope this is clear how we came about with the same. So with that said, let's move on to question number 142. Okay, so here we have x by 3 plus 3 by x equal to 1. Okay, x by 3 plus 3 by x equal to 1. Now we need to find the value of x cube. Okay, so now as we can see, is x by 3 by x equal to 1. So we need to find the value of x cube. So okay, let's go about and solve the same. So let's do let x by 3 equal to y. So therefore y plus 1 by y is equal to 1, because 1 by 3 by x will be 1 by y. So we can write that. This can be further written as y square plus 1 y square plus 1 equal to minus y. Therefore y square minus y square plus y minus, oh no, not minus y, it's plus y only. y. Therefore y squared minus y plus 1 equal to 0. We can write this. Okay, so now what we can do here is that we need to find x cube's value, right? So let me do one thing. Y cube plus 1, we can write this as y plus 1 into y square minus y plus 1, we know. So further we can write y cube plus 1 equal to y plus 1. This entire term is 0, we know. So 0, that will be in terms of 0. So therefore y cube will be equal to minus 1. Okay, y cube will be equal to minus 1. So therefore y cube will be x by 3 whole cube equal to minus 1. So therefore x will be minus 27, or option D will be the answer. I hope this is clear. So with that being said, let's move on to the next question, 143. In a business, A and C invested the amounts in ratio 2:1, whereas A and B invested in the ratio 3:2. If their annual profit is this much, find B share of the profit. So here it's given A by B is 2 by 1, and further, oh no, A by C, sorry, my bad. A by C 2:1, and also it's given A by B 3:2. Okay, so now if we write the ratio, let me represent both in terms of A. C by A can be written as 1 by 2, and say A by B can be written as 3 by 2. So let me get a certain value such that this value, this 2 and this 3 are this particular, this the denominator of this part and numerator of this part are equal. So let me multiply this into say 3 into 3, and let me multiply this by 2 into 2. So therefore C by A will be 3 by 6, and A by B will be 6 by 4. So therefore A is to B is to C can be written as 6 is to 4 is to 3. Okay, so therefore what we need to find, we need to find a B share. So B share will be 4 by 13 into 157,300. Okay, so if we try and cancel the same, so what do we have? We have this one as 1210 or 0, so that would give us rupees 48400. 484, option D will be the right answer. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now let's move to 144 now. Okay, so the greatest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by each one of the number 12, 18, 21 and 28 are, okay, so what we can do is we have we need a 4-digit number such that they are divisible by 12, 18, 21 and 28. So let's find the LCM of the same. If we find the LCM of the same of 12, 18, 21 and 28, we can actually write 12 equal to 2 square into 3, 18 equal to what do you have, 18 is 3 into 6 into 3, right? So 2 into 3 square, 21 is 3 into 7, and 28 is 2 square into 7. Okay, so if we talk about the LCM, in this particular case, LCM will be simply we can have highest power is 4 or 2 square. So 2 square highest power to 2 into 3 square into 7. Okay, so that would give 4, 4 into 9, 36, 36, 7, 42, 42, 1, 3 is 21, 252. Okay, so LCM comes out to be 252. Now, what we need is the highest, okay, so what we need is the highest 4-digit number. Okay, so what we highest 4-digit number in that case. So highest 4-digit number or the greatest 4-digit number here is what do we have? It's 9, 9, 9 and 9. Okay, so greatest 4-digit number is 9999. So what can we do here? Yeah, so the highest 4-digit number is 999. So if you notice something, 252 into 40 if we do, then the number comes out to be somewhere around say 4 2s are 8, 20, 0, 10, 1, 0. So 0. So for 252 into 40 comes out to be a 5-digit number, the lowest 5-digit number which is divisible by 252. So therefore the highest 4-digit number will naturally be into 39. That would come out to be 9828. Okay, that would come out to be 9828. So 9828 is the answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. It's just less than this, 9828. So having said that, now let us move on to the very last question, 145. A circle touches 4 sides of the quadrilateral. Okay, so we have a quadrilateral. Okay, so we have a circle here inside the quadrilateral. Okay, and it touches the 4 sides. So let the A, B, C and D. Okay, so we need to find AB plus CD by CB plus AD. Okay, so let me do one thing. Say this is the diameter. Okay, this is R, this is R, this is R and this is as well R. So therefore AB plus CD by CB plus DA can be written as AB can be written as twice R because this R plus this R, so twice R. CD can again be written as twice R, this R and this R, and similarly CB can be written as again twice R and DA can be written as again twice R. That is 4R by 4R or 1. Option A, the answer. This is a very simple question. So I hope all the questions over here are clear to you. So in case you have doubt in regards to any of the questions that we have solved in this video, I suggest you go through the video multiple times just to get a clear idea on the approach involved to us solving the same. Okay. So with that said, with all that said and done, in case you're looking to get yourself a fully solved paper of the same, including detailed solution on each and every question, feel free to connect with us. For that, what you can do is visit our the description section of the video, wherein you'll find a bunch of details like our website link, our email addresses and our numbers for call, text and WhatsApp. Feel free to connect with us in case you need any kind of help with respect to your exam preparation or guidance in general for any subject or preparation strategies. Feel free to connect with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Again, if you have any doubt with respect to all these questions we have discussed, go through the video and try to solve this question on your own, keeping the video as a reference. That way you will get a better understanding on the approaches we have taken towards solving the same. Okay. With that said, if you like the video, make sure like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. And having said that, we'd like to wind up this video, and I'm signing off. Thank you so much.